What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something that's a little bit old school muscle, a little bit modern madness, and 100% sleeper. We're talking about the 1970 Chevy Nova Sleeper, but not just any Nova. This is the 2025 Restomod version, dressed in a bold, blood-red coat, and built to fool just about anyone at the stoplight. It may look classic, but under the hood, that's where the story really begins. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because this channel is all about discovering hidden gems, classic beasts, and modern-day monsters on wheels. Let's jump into this ride. From the outside, this Nova might fool your grandma into thinking it's just a lovingly restored 70s cruiser. The bright red paint has a deep gloss finish that makes the body pop under the sunlight, not flashy, but clean. The body lines remain original, sharp and muscular, with that signature long hood and short deck design. The chrome bumpers are still there, but subtly tucked in. Look a bit closer and you'll spot the lightweight alloy wheels disguised as classic steelies, wrapped in performance rubber. The ride height's a hint lower, the stance is a bit meaner, but it never screams, "I'm fast." That's the beauty of a sleeper, all business, no bragging. Around back, you've got dual exhaust tips that are slightly tucked, keeping things subtle. No badging gives away what's lurking under the hood. This is the kind of car that shows up to Cars and Coffee and leaves quietly, but only after embarrassing a few modern muscle cars on the highway. Step inside, and it's a careful blend of vintage and tech. The seats have been reupholstered in leather with contrast red stitching, giving a nod to the exterior. Classic bench seating is gone, replaced with supportive buckets that hug you during spirited drives. The dashboard keeps that original 70s look, but behind the scenes, it's all been upgraded. You've got a digital cluster that mimics analog dials, a touchscreen infotainment system hidden behind a retro-looking faceplate, and modern conveniences like Bluetooth, climate control, and a killer sound system. No exposed wires or over-the-top mods. Everything's tastefully done. There's even sound-deadening material installed to make highway cruising quieter, until you floor it, of course. Now, let's get to the part that matters most, performance. This Nova Sleeper comes with a modern LS3 V8 engine swap, putting down around 525 horsepower to the rear wheels. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, yes, you heard right, this car brings old-school engagement with new-school muscle. 0 to 60. You're looking at under 4 seconds. The exhaust note is aggressive but only when you push it, otherwise, it rumbles quietly, keeping the sleeper spirit alive. Suspension's been completely redone with coilovers and sway bars for improved handling. Brakes? Big Willwood discs at all 4 corners ensure it stops as quick as it goes. It's not just a straight-line monster, it actually corners well, thanks to a stiffened chassis and modern tuning. Whether you're cruising or pushing it to the limit, this car keeps up with, and often outruns, today's performance sedans and muscle cars. Alright, let's talk numbers. You're not buying a budget classic here, you're buying performance in disguise. A fully restored and modified 1970 Chevy Nova Sleeper like this one will run you anywhere from $80,000 to $120,000, depending on the build quality, parts used, and who did the work. Sure, it's more than a stock Nova or a modern Camaro SS, but you're getting something totally unique. A true one-of-a-kind street machine that blends classic looks with modern performance, comfort, and tech. So there you have it, the 1970 Chevy Nova Sleeper, 2025 edition. A car that looks like a Sunday cruiser but drives like a track day beast. It's raw, it's refined, and it's ridiculously fun. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. If you loved this review, make sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what's your ultimate sleeper build? I'll catch you in the next one.